Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are air fried zucchini fries. When you're on a low carb or keto diet, you're often looking for a keto alternative to French fries. Now I love the OG potato French fries, but unfortunately you can't eat them because they're high in carbs. Now, one of my favorite alternatives is zucchini. So that's what we're gonna be making today. And we're gonna make them super crunchy in the air fryer. So it's gonna be really easy and you can make them quickly at home. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up some zucchini. Now I'm gonna take my zucchini, you're gonna slice off the end, and then we're gonna slice it in half. And now you can take off the skin if you want. I'm fine with the skin on. It doesn't really make a difference because it cooks really well in the air fryer and it's not gonna be hard or anything. It's not like a cucumber. So I like to leave the skin on. Also has a lot of nutrients, so probably best to keep it on if that's okay with you. And then what we're gonna do next is we are going to slice it. Now, the thickness of how you like your zucchini, you can do it really however you like your French fries. I like it to do like a 1/4 inch of a cut. So you're just going to cut it long ways like this. So you get about this thickness of the French fry. And then I'm gonna cut it in half again. That way your fries are not too long, but they're gonna be just like that. And you're gonna do this for as much zucchini as you're gonna make. After you've cut up as much zucchini as you're gonna make, we are gonna get ready with the batter. Now the batter is gonna allow the zucchini to be nice and crisp when we throw it into the air fryer. I have 2 eggs that I have lightly beaten. This is gonna be for our egg wash. Now, depending on how many zucchini fries you're gonna make, you might need between 1 to 3 eggs. For 2 zucchinis, I like to use 2 eggs. Next, for the actual batter, I'm going to use a cup of grated parmesan. And then we're going to also add 1/3 to about 1/2 cup of almond flour. You can use coconut flour if you want, or almond flour, either one is fine. But I think the almond flour adds a little bit of a better crunch when you throw it into the air fryer. We're just going to combine that all together. Now, into the almond flour batter, I'm gonna also put in some salt. It's all gonna be about 1/2 teaspoon of all of these seasonings. I'm also gonna add some garlic. We're going to add some white pepper. You could do white or black pepper, but I don't want as intense of a pepper flavor, which is why I'm gonna use the white pepper. Some hot paprika. Dried parsley. And some onion powder. Now, you can really use whatever kind of seasonings you like. If you wanted to make this more with like an Asian flair, you could do that, or just simple salt and pepper is fine. I like to do kind of more Italian style, which is why I'm gonna use these seasonings, but really do whatever your preference is. Now it's time to coat our zucchini fries. So I'm gonna have my wet hand, this is gonna be my dry hand. You're gonna take the zucchini and throw it into the egg wash. Make sure it's fully coated. And then you're gonna take the zucchini out of the egg wash, shake off any excess, and throw it into the dry batter. I'm gonna take my dry hand and make sure that the zucchini is coated. And once you have your coated zucchini, just set it aside. You're gonna do this for all of your zucchini fries. Although I do like my zucchini fries with the skin on, I am gonna make some without the skin so I can show you the difference. The ones without the skin do have more of a French fry look, if that's what you're looking for. And you're just gonna batter them exactly the same way, but I just wanted to show you the difference when you actually air fry them. After you're done with your fries, it's time to place them in your air fryer tray. I'm gonna take some avocado oil spray. You can also use olive oil spray, beef tallow spray, really whatever you want, whatever cooking spray you have. And Straight into the air fryer tray without any liner, we're going to place our fries. So I'm gonna do some of the ones with the skin, and I'm also gonna do the ones without the skin to show you the difference between them. You wanna place as many as you can fit without them touching. Don't overcrowd the tray because you wanna make sure that the air circulates all around the fry and makes it nice and crisp. These are ready to go into the air fryer. We're gonna air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes on one side and then 4 minutes on the other side. I am using the Tasty air fryer. I know you guys have seen it all over social media. It really is as great as people say it is. If you're interested in purchasing it, I do have a link and a discount code so that you can get this air fryer as well. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. These are our finished air fried zucchini fries. On this side, you can see the ones with the skin. These are the ones without the skin. Both are absolutely delicious, but these do look a little bit more like French fries if you're looking for that clear French fry look, and they work with any dip, just like a regular French fry. I like to use a no sugar added ketchup, so I like to use this one by Primal Kitchen. That's just my preference, but use whatever you like. Let's do a little taste test here. I'm gonna get this fry right here, dip it in our ketchup, and cheers. So good. That coating really gives you that French fry crunch that you're looking for. I love having this with a burger or really just on the side with like a steak frites. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. This one is super easy and a great go-to to pair with any meal that you have. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.